Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Gemini. Your connection was interrupted. Please try again later problem on Gemini application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Click on Wi-Fi. First check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 2. Long press or long tap on Gemini application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 3. Open Play Store. Click on Search. Search Gemini app. Update your Gemini app latest version. Step 4. Restart your device. You can follow all of the steps to fix Gemini. Your connection was interrupted. Please try again later problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.